7 Best Whitening Cream for Summer. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we give you 7 best summer whitening creams that gives you glowy, radiant and even skin, so let's get started. Number 7 on our list is Himalaya Clear Complexion Brightening Cream. Time's a very popular brand and it's very popular cream. As we all know that Himalaya makes very good herbal products. This cream is also 100% herbal. Its two main active ingredients are Number 1 Lico Rice and number 2 is Ginger Lily. Lico Rice gives your face instant glow and reduce dark spots from your face. Ginger Lily makes your skin even. It immediately lightens up your face and make it smooth. In this cream you will get little bit of UV protection from UVA and UVB rays, so you don't have to take sunscreen. If you have normal to combination skin or dry skin, then this cream is just for you. Number 6. Olay Natural Aura Cream. Its initial name was Olay Natural White Cream. Olay is known for its anti-aging product. Its anti-aging and whitening range are very good. In it you will get SPF 15, which is very necessary in whitening creams. It absorbs quickly, gives good hydration and gives more whitening compared to other range. If you use it regularly, it will lighten your dark spots and blemishes. Number 5. Garnier Vitamin C Serum Cream. It is serum cream, so it will hydrate very good. It will absorb quickly. In this you get 3 times vitamin C, which means it gives you extra glow. It absorbs quickly and its SPF 15 gives you good sun protection. It works on acne and dark spots. If you are facing acne problem, then go for this. Number 4. Pond's Bright Beauty Serum Cream. Most popular brand, its quality is very good. If we talked about its main ingredients, it has vitamin B3, which work on dark spots, blemishes and make skin even. It has glycerin so that you don't feel you have less moisture. It has sun protection SPF 15 PA++ that protects you from both UVA and UVB rays. Number 3. O3 Plus Professional White Day Cream. It comes with SPF 15. This product gives you more hydration comparatively others. It works on every skin. If you want hydrating day cream, then go for it. It will work on pigmentation also. Number 2. Lotus White Glow Cream. Best texture cream. Best combination of gel and cream. Its results are very good. Its SPF 25 gives you good sun protection. Absorbs quickly. Works on blemishes, dark spots and pigmentation. Lotus is herbal cream and work on sensitive skin as well. It's 100% herbal. Number 1. L'Oreal White Perfect Day Cream. Makes your skin totally smooth and even. In it you get SPF 17 PA++, which gives you sun protection and protect you from getting tanned. It vanishes your melanin within 3 to 7 days. Use this for dark spots, then you are going to get very good result. These are top whitening creams for summer. Choose according to your skin type. Thanks for watching.